to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, my name is Candy, and please make sure that you subscribe before you leave this video today. But oh my gosh, I can't believe it's almost Christmas. So today I decided to bring you a makeup tutorial going from DRAB to kind of FESTIVE FAB, creating like this bubblegum sort of candy cane inspired makeup tutorial using only Avon products. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. So grabbing your Avon True Color Luminous blush in soft plum with a big fluffy brush, you want to use that color and kind of blend it into the crease area. Make sure you blend it outwards because our cut crease is going to flick outwards. And then with a small brush, you want to add that to your lower lash line as well before moving on to the next step. Next up, you want to take your MAC Nude Matte Cream Concealer in medium, and with a small flat synthetic brush we are going to start by cutting our crease. Now the trick is more to do a pat and pull motion, and this will give you that crisp line. Also make sure that you have enough concealer on to really cover any eyeshadow and give you that nice crisp and clean line. You also want to make sure that you flick it out towards the end, and that is basically how you create your cut crease. Taking your bronze and glow drops in Luminous Luna, I'm going to use a little bit of that on the inner corner of the eye. And to set the cut crease, I'm going to use shade 1 from the Glacial Turqoise Eyeshadow Quad and slightly pat that all over the lid space just to kind of set that concealer and have that nice nude contrast with the bubblegum pink on top. Now the fun starts with the Power Stay lip color. This one is in Relentless Rose, and we're going to use this liquid lipstick to actually draw on an eyeliner. Now because it's a liquid lip, it's nice because it dries completely matte and it really has some stay power. It lasts up to 16 hours, so your eyeliner is not going to go anywhere. With an eyeliner brush, I'm going to pick up some of the liquid lipstick and kind of just start by drawing on my pink liner and creating a nice flick wing at the end. If you struggle with the wing, you can leave this part out and just draw on a normal eyeliner, stopping at your last lash on the end. So while you're actually busy with the liquid lip, why not just pop that on your lips as well? As you can see, it matches your eye exactly, which is so cute. And once again, with its lasting power, you will not have to touch up this lip. So after that, we can move on to the next step. I'm going to pick up Twinkling blush, which is a loose pigment from the MAC collection. And with a small tiny brush, I'm going to add some of that to the inner corners of my eye. Now if you want to, you can of course add some extra pink glitter onto the crease, but this part is totally optional. It just adds that sort of festive-y vibe to this whole makeup look. Last but not least, we're going to use our MAC Big and Extreme Mascara to give our lashes a good coat before we add some lashes on, and that will then complete our look. So it's as easy as that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, if you don't want to do the cut crease, you can kind of just put your color on and just pat glitter all over it. If you're struggling to do a cut crease, there's so many different variations of it. You can use different colors. If you have got red eyeshadow, that would look cool. If you have got green eyeshadow, basically like candy cane colors, you can practically do this look with any sort of color. So I hope you guys liked it. Make sure that you go and follow Avon on Instagram, and also check the description box below to see all the products I've used. But until next time, as always, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.